Follow the steps on how to make a glowing object like this in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting the image. Activate this icon and select Subject. Make sure all subject sections are selected. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate. Change the layer to a smart object. Next, add hue saturation. Set the color as desired. Select the background layer and duplicate it. Go to Filters and open Camera Raw Filter. Then set vignetting. Next, add color lookup. Change to Moonlight. Click Layer 1 and select the shell area. Then press Ctrl+J. I will rename it. Click the body layer and add a mask. Press Ctrl+I to invert. Activate the brush and arrange it like this. Brush on part of the snail's body. Click this layer and duplicate it. Convert it into a smart object and set it to linear dodge. Next, add Gaussian blur. I filled in 10 pixels. Lower the fill percentage. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate and edit the Gaussian blur. Change the radius to be larger. Duplicate it back and do the same. Select all these layers, then group them. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.